Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will show you how to sign a document digitally on iPhone. First, locate the document you need to sign on your device. It might be in your email, your Files app, or another application. Once you find it, simply tap on the document to open it in full screen view. This action prepares the document for the next step, where we will access the tools needed to add your signature quickly and efficiently. After opening your document, find the markup icon, which usually resembles a pen tip inside a circle at the top right of your screen. If you do not immediately see this icon, tap the share icon first, which is a square with an upward arrow. From the menu that appears, simply scroll down and select Markup. This action opens the powerful editing tools that allow you to add your signature directly to the document. With the markup tools open, locate the plus sign icon at the bottom right of your screen and tap it. A small menu will pop up, offering several options. Choose Signature from this list. Now, you can draw your new signature directly on the screen using your finger, or if you have previously saved one, you can select it from the available options. This makes signing documents incredibly convenient and secure. Once you have created or selected your signature, it will instantly appear on your document. You can easily move it by tapping and dragging the signature box to the exact spot where you need it. To adjust its size, simply use the small blue dots located at the corners of the signature box. Drag these dots inward or outward until your signature is perfectly sized and positioned for a clear, professional appearance.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.